दोस्तों, पेंडेमिक है, लॉकडाउन है, कहीं पर मिनी लॉकडाउन है, कहीं पर फुल लॉकडाउन है। मैं अपने दोस्तों को सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, घर में बैठ के नेगेटिव ना हो, घर में बैठ के डिप्रेशन में ना जाएं। उच्चारण करें परमात्मा दा, उच्चारण करें बाबा नानक दा, वाहिगुरु का उच्चारण करें। जितना ज़्यादा वाहिगुरु का उच्चारण करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा महादेव का उच्चारण करेंगे, उतना जल्दी हम लोग इस पेंडेमिक से हमारा पीछा छूटेगा। एक ही शक्ति है जो इस समय इंसानियत को इस धरती पे बचा सकती है, क्योंकि इतने बुरे कर्म इंसान ने किए, इतने बुरे कर्म किए, वो चाहे वायरस भगवान ने बनाया या इंसान ने बनाया, कोई लेना देना नहीं, लेकिन ह्यूमैनिटी इज़ इन अ डेंजर जोन, यू नो वेरी वेल। मैं सिर्फ इतनी चीज़ चाहता हूँ कि इस लॉकडाउन में, इस घर बैठे हुए दिनों में हम कुछ अच्छे कर्म कर लें, मेडिटेशन कर लें, उस परमात्मा का उच्चारण कर लें। सरबत दा भला रब तो मंग लें। जिन्ना ज़्यादा तुसी सरबत दा भला मंगोगे, यू नो, उन्नी ज़्यादा तुहाडे घर विच पॉजिटिविटी बनी रहेगी इस लॉकडाउन विच। मैं आपको एक लाइन सुनाना चाहूँगा, राम नाम की लूट है, लूट सके तो लूट, अंतकाल पछताएगा जब प्राण जाएंगे छूट। आई रिपीट दिस, राम नाम की लूट है, लूट सके तो लूट, अंतकाल पछताएगा जब प्राण जाएंगे छूट। Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about June 2021 monthly prediction for Taurus ascendants. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign. Nothing to do with your zodiac sign. Nothing to do with your moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your upcoming future, related to your upcoming month June 2021. This is for Taurus. Taurus, first of all, your ascendant Lord transit in your second house from 26th of May 2021 to till 22nd of June 2021. Venus is transit in your second house. Mars enter in Cancer sign from 2nd of June 2021. Solar eclipse on 10th of June 2021. So friends, first of all, health, you will enjoy very good health in the month of June. 1st June to till 22nd of June 2021, you will enjoy very positive energy. If you have any type of health related issue, your issues will resolve and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. There is no major issue related to your health in the month of June 2021. Now I'm going to talk about your business and finance. You will get a lot of opportunity. You will get name, fame, prosperity. आपके पास इतनी ज़्यादा उपलब्धियाँ, इतनी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएंगी। अगर आप उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को दिमाग से सोच कर अवेल करते हो, लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हो, तो नियर फ्यूचर में आपको फंटास्टिक रिजल्ट मिलेंगे। ये सारा समय आपके लिए कुछ करने का है। टॉरस जितने ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालेंगे, जितने ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव होकर आगे बढ़ेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा गुड फॉर्चून आपके फेवर में होगा और आपके रुके हुए काम क्लिक होंगे। मंथ ऑफ जून 2021 आपके लिए नए दोस्त लेकर आ रहा है, नए बिजनेस एसोसिएट्स लेकर आ रहा है, नए बिजनेस पार्टनर लेकर आ रहा है। अगर आप किसी किस्म के मैन्युफैक्चर हैं, अगर आप किसी किस्म के फॉरेन रिलेटेड काम करते हैं, तो जून 2021 22 जून तक आपको फॉरेन ट्रांजैक्शन से कुछ लाभान्वित रिजल्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे। यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन ट्रांजैक्शंस। यू विल एंजॉय लॉट ऑफ कैश फ्लो विल मेक यू हैप्पी. This whole time in the month of June 2021, you will be sky high, you will be top, your all pending work will click, you will enjoy a lot of comfort and peace of mind at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unemployed, you will get job, there is no doubt. Don't forget to chant Om Namah Shivaya or Vaheguru to reduce negativity at your home, at your workplace. Before start your day, must chant Om Namah Shivaya or Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positivity in this lockdown, in this pandemic situation. Only God can save us. Don't forget this. You may earn a lot of money, you may earn a lot of finance, you may earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, but you are not able to, get some blessings from God if you are not chanting Him. You need to chant, you need to do some meditation every day morning. Must chant Lord Hanuman Chalisa, must chant Lord Shiv Chalisa, and must chant this word Vaheguru, Sarbat da Pala, Sarbat da Pala. Otherwise, you will get a lot of opportunities in this week. Your all pending work will click. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Unemployed people may get job in the second part of the month of June 2021. Your savings will rise. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, then second part of the month will be a rewarding. You will get work permit or you will get PR if you are already applied. You need to perform your best, Taurus. The more you put effort at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. This whole time, you need to be careful while talking with your business associate after 15th June 2021. Don't think only about money. Just you need to perform your best. You need to polish your soul. You need to purify your soul with chant this mantra Vaheguru or Om Namah Shivaya. We all need to purify our soul with the chanting of this mantra, especially in this pandemic situation. Taurus, this whole month will bring a lot of opportunities. There is no doubt. You may invest your money in stock market, you may invest your money in real estate, and you will bless with a lot of gains. But you need to perform your best and think positive. If you think positive, you will definitely achieve big milestones. You have ability to create magic at your workplace. Jupiter transit in your 10th house from 20th June, it will be a retrograde, and if you have a retrograde Jupiter in your birth chart, you will be top. You will get a lot of opportunities after 20th June. You need to perform your best. You need to polite talk with your father, with your grandfather, elders at home. Perform your best, put your efforts. Good fortune is in your favor. You will bless with a lot of new deals. If you are a stockbroker, if you are a businessman, if you are any type of investor, if you are willing to invest your money in foreign land, this whole month create magic at your workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your father. I'm telling you again and again, Jupiter is going to retrograde. Saturn is also retrograde in your Navam Bhav. You will get results, but after some delay, there is no doubt. But at the end, you will get results. That is for sure. Just need to perform your best. Need to put your energy, positive energy at your workplace as well as home. Give some respect to your spouse. Give some respect to your elders at home. Health of your father will be matter of concern after 20th June. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.